Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we have question 5 to solve given in page number 91 of chapter 5 exploring mixtures and their separations. The question is the label on the cooking oil pack say 1 liter 910 gram. If this oil is mixed with water, will it form a separate layer? If so, which substance will be on the top? How will you separate the two separate layers? Also, draw the diagram of the apparatus used. So one thing is that here we are having the mixture, and this mixture is having oil and water. These two liquid is immiscible liquid. Means when these two liquids are mixed, they will not get mixed with each other, so that particular liquid we call as immiscible liquid. Here if I take a glass container, in this glass container I have taken some amount of water in it. If I add some amount of oil, so oil is also present. Now if I stir it down with the help of a glass rod, after stirring also we find that oil comes on top and water remains at bottom. It is due to the difference in their density. Oil is lesser dense than water. Now they are saying that will it form a separate layer? Yes, it form a separate layer. Then how will you separate the two layers? Yes, it is possible by separating funnel method. We have a separating funnel method by which we can easily separate the two components of immiscible liquids. Also draw the diagram of the apparatus used. So here we are having a separating funnel. Here we are having a knob which control the amount of liquid present here in the broader container. In this, a mixture of water and oil is present. Oil used to float on the surface of water. At the bottom of the separating funnel we have taken a glass container where when I switch on the knob or stopcock we used to say, so when I switch on the stopcock, slowly the water drops is getting collected, and by manual understanding we have to just close the stopcock as the oil layer comes nearby it. So this is called a separating funnel. So this way we can solve this question. So here if I want to show the stand also, I can just show the stand so that it will be standing vertically. So all the liquids which are having different densities, they can be separated by this method called separating funnel method. I hope that everyone have understood about it.